Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Can you excuse me for a minute? My brother is here. He's knocking on the door. Mhm.
Hi, Haza.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine.
You started your revision.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yes.
Okay. What do you feel? You have only some portions, right?
Yeah.
So is it easy? Will you be scoring good marks?
Yeah.
Hmm? Why? That Ya's not having any energy. Huh? Haza, I'm asking you.
Mm, I
Are you
don't know.
sleeping? Just sit properly.
I'm not. I'm not sleeping. I'm just holding my neck.
Yes. Say something. Amra, what happened to your background?
Oh, she removed it in English class. I think science. Yeah, science class.
Shravan, Liesel and Rafon was not there. The last class.
They were, but Soundraj wasn't.
Shravanraj was not there. Hello, Shravan, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, why all are so moody? What happened? Since you're fasting?
Weather changing time not well. Fever.
What?
No, in UAE weather changing time. Fever.
Weather changing.
Yeah.
Now is what is it called there?
Not cold now. Coming this night time. After evening cold. And before that hot.
One second, I'm getting
This is
call.
sick.
Okay.
Fever like that.
My kid was there in bus stop and there was nobody to pick her up. So I rushed and went. Okay. Hello, you there? Is Amra stuck?
Yeah. Yeah.
Refan?
No, ma'am.
We all are so tired. It's fasting.
I mean, I'm not tired.
You are not
Yeah.
tired, but I'm not feeling
Mm-hmm.
so. I'm feeling like all are so tired, exhausted feeling.
I only had 4 hours of sleep.
4 hours. Why?
I slept at 11. I had to go outside yesterday.
Hmm.
So when I came back, it was 11. But then I decided I slept in the morning after like 1 hour, 1.5 hours maybe.
After the class, you can just go and take a nap. Okay. Yes. So, kids, which chapter is remaining for our revision? Did we complete the chapter distance between the pointed position and transformation? Revision
Yeah.
part. Revision we did we complete it? Hmm?
Yeah.
How to find the distance between 2 points of two coordinates? Huh? Nobody here?
Yeah, we
Then say the answer.
we did this.
You know to mark the point, right? How can we find the
Yeah.
distance between two
Yeah.
points?
First, we need the coordinate.
Hmm?
If it's first, we need the coordinate 4 and 4 and
What
2.
is the distance
How
between
to
these
take
2 points?
4 and 1.
4.2.
The A is
4. Ma'am, 3. 3. Ma'am, 3.
Yeah, A is 1, 2, and B is
4, 2.
4, 2. 4, 2. 1, 2 and 4, 2.
why it is not coming? It's lagging. What is this? Okay, A is 1, 2 and B is 4, 2. So how can we find the distance between, if it is same point, what we'll do? We'll take the different points in concern, right? So we'll do B minus 1, between 4 minus 1, which is 3. Isn't it? Right.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not working. It's hanging.
Yeah. It's
Now I cannot see
like.
my issue.
Yeah,
Okay,
but
yeah,
your
now I
voice is clear.
What to do? It's not
Is it?
coming. Can you hear me properly?
Yeah, we can hear it properly, but the screen is laggy.
Yeah. So to find the distance between the coordinates, we'll find the coordinates of A and B. Then we'll identify the same values for x and y. If this, then we'll find the difference between two different values of x and y. Same values we will reject, and then we'll find the difference between the different values of x and y. Okay. Just find the distance between 9, 5 and 3, 5. Fast.
6. 6.
6.
It's 6, yeah. Just if we'll do just 9 minus 3, we'll get the answer, right?
Is the same. The Y is the same, so
Yeah.
we have to do.
Difference between x coordinates is 12 minus 5,
7.
which is 7.
7. 7.
What about this?
5. Ma'am, 5. First one.
No.
A is 5.
First one.
Yeah, the A is
A
5.
is 5, yeah.
6 minus
A
1,
is
which is
5.
5, correct?
B is
B is 6. 6,
A is
6,
4.
6.
4.
Oh, sorry. 4, 4.
Yes. Let me put that in answer, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, continue. What about B? B is 4, right?
B, 4, yeah.
B is 4.
Ma'am, we done this. Yeah.
Yeah, we're done this.
That time.
Yeah, find it.
Okay. A to J. 7 units. 7.
7 units.
Yeah,
Mm.
7 minutes.
GI.
Yeah, GI. GI. Yes, GI. I already finished this, so yeah.
GI.
GI.
Yeah. And there's a B, the question B is 3 units.
3
And
units.
D maybe?
Yeah.
3 units.
Section of chart showing the coordinates of point A to J. Write down the pairs of points there are following distance apart. 7 units.
Ma'am, it's G and I.
G and I. G and I.
G
It's 7 units.
and I. G
I.
and
7
I.
units.
Okay. 8 minus. Yes, very good. G and I. Anything
Ma'am,
else?
next is 3 unit.
Anything else? With G
Ma'am,
and
3
I?
Yeah,
units.
3 unit.
E and J. E and J. Ma'am, what is the page number?
Yeah, page number 287. 280.
F and G.
F and G. Is it 8 unit?
Yes.
F and G's distance is what? It's so long. 17 minus 1, which is 16.
No, ma'am, F
8
and G
units.
is not 8 units. 8
Ma'am,
units.
8 units is C.
Ma'am, E and J. Ma'am, E and J.
E and J. E and J. 8 units.
No.
C and J, right?
No, no. E and J, how can it be? Yeah,
Ma'am,
it can
C
be.
and J.
Yeah, it can be C and J because 19 minus 11. You have to look, at least one pair should be same. Okay. So 19 minus 11, it's 8.
Oh, you need to be like the
The one pair should be same. The rest of the pair only we will look into. It should be
Okay,
same.
then like 18 and 10.
18 and 10. Yeah, 18 minus 10. Where?
Ma'am, 3 units it is B and J. B and I.
3
B and I.
units, it is B and I. Yeah. Yes, 12 minus 8. It's 4,
8,
right?
3. 12 and
3 units, now I found something. 3 units.
3 units is
Yeah,
E
it's
and,
E and
F and X.
E and H. E and H is okay, right? 3 units.
E and H. Yeah, 3 units. Then there is 6,
Yeah,
ma'am.
3.
6 units. A and
6
D, I think.
units.
Yeah, E and H. E and H is 3. 3 units.
A and D is 6 unit, right? 15 minus 9.
A and D. A and D.
Yeah, A and D is 6 units.
You
Yeah.
done. Make a copy of the coordinate grid shown on the right. Show by plotting.
Find this, please. Find the distance between this.
Is this question in textbook or
It's in textbook.
Um,
You just make
workbook? It's in textbook.
No, it's in textbook. Page 288. 288. Seventh question. 288. Seventh question.
Is 5
You're supposed to
minus
find the
minus
difference.
1.
Yeah.
5 minus
Yeah,
minus
it's
1 means
negative
what?
one.
It's 5 plus 1. When two negative
Yeah,
come
but
first,
yeah,
it
it's
comes together, it will become positive, right? So 5 minus minus 1 means 5 plus 1, which is 6. The answer is 6.
Okay, now C.
8
Negative
minus
3.
6. 8 minus negative 6. Negative, no.
8
Mm,
minus 2 and 2 minus comes
9,
together.
10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Hey, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Yeah.
Ma'am, D question?
This chapter is done. Rafan. Hello, Rafan. Rafan, you there?
Rafan?
Hello, Rafan. Yes, Amra, do one thing. I already shared a slide with you and Rafan. Can you just take the class right now? Ratio and proportion. You can check your mail. Rafan, where you went?
I'm just right here sitting.
Then why are you not responding? I was calling you repeatedly.
Oh yeah, I did. And I was here. I was right here. I think I didn't hear you.
Okay. So will you take the chapter ratio and proportion?
Who?
Rafan, will you take the chapter ratio and proportion? I already shared the slide with you.
Um. I didn't just revise. I just don't know how to explain like that.
Okay, Amra, please carry on.
Yes, I can do it. I just don't know how to just like to explain it correctly, but I know.
Amra, your mic is on mute.
Ratio.
Yes, on my background. There will be a little bit disturbance. Anyways.
Please carry on. I just need a 5-minute break, okay? Please carry on. Nikita.
Simplifying ratios.
Simplify. So we know how to do ratios, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll just play for a few seconds.
Now, when we're talking ratios, a ratio shows the relationship between different amounts. So we're going to take a look at the quantity of one thing, right, the number of something, compared to the number of something else.
I don't know what is wrong with this, but
No, we can understand it. Is it like no, we can understand it like that.
Now, when we're talking ratios, a ratio shows the relationship between different amounts. So we're going to take a look at the quantity of one thing, right, the number of something, compared to the number of something else. So for example, number 1, we have the ratio of strawberries to oranges. So we're going to compare the quantity or number of strawberries to the quantity or number of oranges. And there's a few different ways we can write these ratios out. So let's first start by counting the number of strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Ma'am, you are
6.
getting.
So we have 6 strawberries, 2. How many oranges? Well,
Ma'am, your
1,
video is stuck.
2, 3. 6 to 3. So this shows for every 6 strawberries, there are 3 oranges. And again, strawberries has to come first, the 6, because it comes first in our ratio problem, right? Strawberries to oranges. We can also use a colon to represent this ratio. So 6 to 3 Or we can use a fraction. Whatever your numerator is, the top number, that's what comes first in your ratio. So strawberries, 6 strawberries to 3 oranges. Now, just like fractions, when it comes to ratios, you want to simplify the ratio if it applies. And here it does. So we need to find the greatest common factor, or what can divide into both 6 and 3 to simplify here. And 3 is a common factor between 6 and 3, and it's the greatest common factor. So let's divide both the 6 and the 3 by 3.
You cannot see the writing on the slide, right?
We can see 6 to 3, 6 by 3. We can see it.
But that's the only thing you can see, right? It's not changing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can see only that. After that, we cannot see.
Anyways, let's do this. For a ratio. Now you know how to simplify, right? Ratios?
Yeah.
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 Yes. Just like fractions, we can simplify them using the same method. So 3 to 6, we can divide it by 3 itself, because 3 and 6 are in the table of 3. So we can just divide it by 3 and you can simplify it, right? You know how to simplify fractions, right? The same method.
dx. Okay.
Should I skip the food part? Anyways, what is the ratio? Okay. We have an activity, I think. Scientific activity.
No, it's activities. Is it activities or activities?
Activity. This is activities.
Somebody says, not me. What is he telling us like that?
I will share a link. Okay. I will just.
It's
Share your
mathematics.
screen, everyone.
It's
Okay.
mathematics.
Everyone share screen. Why do you want to share your screen? We need to see. You're not what to do. Okay. Mm. Oh,
Hello?
I was doing an activity.
Yeah.
What is the equation here?
So what ratio are you going to make?
Oh, we need to.
You can give some questions, Amra.
Okay. You can give some questions.
Okay, I'll give you one instructions. Wait, Rafan, can you go to what are you doing, Rafan? Go back to Meet and click the link again.
Close the tab and take the link again. Okay, can keep some.
Somebody might not
Haza, you're
get
not
this.
sharing your screen, Haza.
Oh,
Laser, make a ratio for to
Only
no
Lazel got this.
12 to 4 simplified.
12 to 4 simplified.
Yeah, you can choose two type of beads.
Okay.
12.
12 is to 4 simplified.
It's 12 to 4 simplified, okay?
Okay.
So you have to
First you have to simplify it and
12
then.
to 4 and then do it. Why is it like that for you and Haza for me? Did you take something else?
No.
Sometimes they may not get. Mathematic is having an issue right now. Some people only make it. I think Lazel, you can just ask a question to Lazel. He will present the screen. You can pin his screen and he will be making that.
Wait, Lisa, share your link in the chat box. I think would work. Share that link in the chat box. No, not the original link. The website you're playing in right now.
Okay. Where's the link? Where is the link? Element here.
You can just copy that link you're saying, no? The search icon. Though you can see a link, right? Lazel,
Yeah.
in the search icon.
Ah,
Just select that and make Control C. And you can copy that.
yeah. Yeah. And I send.
Okay, try to. Now you're getting it right. Don't type. Don't just take it. Just wait for it, Haza. Just wait for it. Just wait. Don't do anything.
Lazel, what are you
Rafan, can
doing?
you?
12 is to 4 simplified means it's 3 is to 1, right?
Yeah, I got that.
Yeah, very good.
Now this
Haza,
is
don't
correct.
press anything, Haza. Just wait.
This is correct now.
Now go up.
3:1.
What is this?
Okay, do one thing.
Yeah.
No, go up. Esa, go up. Click the link again and go up. 3:1. And
Mm-hmm.
first I put the one part. Then I put the 3. The 3:1 is my correct, my answer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's correct. In this slide, I think there is.
Just solve 1 or 2 questions in the textbook. Not this.
And we can close this link now.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, yeah, then
All of
close
you
the
can
textbook.
stop resuming.
Okay.
We can stop presenting.
Simplifying is must, and the sentence question in this.
Yeah. Okay. So,
I just can't do
what is the
anything.
ratio of apples to pears? This you should always look to apples to pears. If you're getting the thing wrong, the whole answer will be wrong. Apples to pears. So how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a minute. Yeah. There are 5 apples. 1, 2,
No, 6 apple.
3, yeah, 6 apples. 4, 5, 6. And 3 pairs. 3 pairs. So 6, 3. 6, 3 is the answer. But if we simplify it, we will get
2:1.
2:1. 2:1. Now what is the ratio of pears to apples?
3:6. Simplified is 1:2.
Simplified is 1:2. This is easy, right? Nice.
Yeah.
Question. So these are equivalent ratios. Oh God.
Equivalent ratio means what? If it is 1:2 and 4:2, 4:8 is equivalent to each other, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think this time is up, so we'll be continuing tomorrow the same chapter. Okay.
Okay,
We'll do some
ma'am. Bye.
questions and which is the remaining part, remaining one now.
We discussed
11.
Yeah, that will
something
be
you
tomorrow.
did. Leah ma'am did it, right? Leah ma'am asked us
Yeah.
to do it.
Anyway, we'll do that tomorrow. Okay, and
Okay.
the last part of that, no, that also will be discussed.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay then,
Bye,
Rafan,
ma'am.
you there?
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Have a great day,
Have a great
everyone.
day.
You.
Bye.